Stanton was the Secretary of War under the US President Abraham Lincoln, and once Stanton was very angry because one of the officers he had failed to carry out an order. Now this was irrespective to Stanton that whether he did not follow the order deliberately, did he do it by mistake, or was he not able to understand. ये उनके लिए मैटर नहीं करता था कि ऑर्डर क्यों फॉलो नहीं हुआ. मैटर ये करता था कि ऑर्डर फॉलो नहीं किया, इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉलो नहीं करी, एंड दैट मेड हिम रियली रियली अपसेट. सो उनकी आंखों में ये एक ऐसी मिस्टेक थी जो अनफॉरगिवेबल थी. एंड एक ऑफिसर के ऑर्डर्स ना फॉलो करना उनके लिए ये डायरेक्ट रिबेल था. And he wanted to teach him a lesson. So he was very, very furious, and he told Abraham Lincoln that I want to cut this guy all up. I want to give him my peace of mind. I just want to tell him that he did a very big mistake and this blunder is going to cost him something. और मैं इतनी आसानी से इनको छोड़ूंगा नहीं. Abraham Lincoln said, you're absolutely right. This is what you should do. So go ahead. Write it all up and tell him everything on his face. Let him know what you really think about him. Don't leave anything. Cut him all up. He said, really, you think so? He said, absolutely, be brutal. Don't think about it. Don't worry about anything. He was like, okay. He took a piece of paper and he started writing, and he wrote everything in the kind of language that he wrote out there. He had all his rebuke come out. He wrote every single thing that he felt about that officer over there. It was straight, it was harsh, it was brutal. And then he started reading that letter to Abraham Lincoln, and he said, very good, you've done a very good job. You've actually explained yourself very well. He said, you really think so? Now through whom should I send this letter? And Abraham Lincoln was, send it? Why would you send a letter like that? Tear it all apart. Why would you ever send a letter like that to anybody? I would never do that. The objective was to free your mind of that subject that was bothering you so much, of that anger that you had within you. That purpose is solved. Why would you let anybody read such harsh words? Suppressing your anger is going to cause various troubles, various problems, health problems, issues. You're going to impact your relationships. It is very, very important to express your anger, but without hurting the person, without hurting that relationship. There's so many parents that come to me and they tell me that it's, I really don't know what to do. My child makes me so angry, so furious at times. I really cannot control my anger. Like I try a lot, but the way he does it, जिस तरीके की हरकतें कभी-कभी करते हैं, बर्दाश्त से बाहर हो जाता है. इतनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन पाइल अप हो जाती है कि समझ में ही नहीं आता कि कंट्रोल कैसे करूँ अपना एंगर. I understand. I'm a parent too. I know it gets to your nerves. It's difficult. But consider this. आपको कभी फ्लू होता है तो आप क्या करते हो? आप जा करके अपने बच्चे को हग करते हो, उसको प्यार करते हो, पास में बुलाते हो, या उसे अपने आप से दूर रखते हो? Would you ever go and hug your child when you have flu? You wouldn't do that. Why? Because you don't want to give him that flu. It's an infection. You don't want your child to get hurt. I want you to consider this. Your anger is equal to flu. It is an infection you're going to give to your child. And don't think he'll not catch it and not give it to someone else. It's going to affect him, affect his body, affect his health, affect his state of mind, affect his character. या तो वो जाकर के उसको किसी और को देगा, a weaker person. जैसे आपसे कंट्रोल नहीं हुआ, आपसे वीक है आपका बच्चा, आपने उसको दिया. Because he has no option, he will take it. Similarly, he will not hold it within himself. The moment he finds an outlet, he will show that anger. You will see the same reflection in him. And if he wants to control it, अगर उसके पास कोई outlet नहीं है, अगर वो उसको control करेगा तो क्या होगा? It will affect his health, his state of mind, the way he attends towards things. And he will not like it. And you will not like his changing self. So next time when you get angry, just remember, anger is equal to flu. Stay away. Let your child stay away from you when you feel that anger. Give yourself some space. This is Gurleen, and I believe in learning from life every day. I believe in learning from people who are around me. So if you want me to come back to you with videos like this. Leave something in the comments below which make me learn. Tell me, how did this thought help you? How are you going to change when this anger, this flu hits you the next time? See you soon.